Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Little Mac from Punch Out. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this boxer, and to begin we're going to start out with his eyes. So we're going to draw in the upper eyelid first. So it's just going to be one curve, and then another one the same thing on the other side. And then we're drawing the bottom, so it's pretty much like an almond shape. Alright, and then now on the inside, right on the upper lip here, just draw like almost like a full circle. And then let's see, this is kind of small. I'm going to draw another circle inside. This is going to be the highlight, and let me shade around it. Alright, so now let's draw in the eyebrow. So the eyebrow will make it nice and mean. Just start right here. Just line it up. And then once we have that, we'll just give it some thickness here. Just come up. It's basically like a big bar. Alright, so let's continue on with the face. Let's come down. In the corner of the eye, you can make two little marks. And then just a slight angle for his nose. And then for his mouth, we'll just keep it simple. We'll make him a little bit meaner. It's curved this way, and then the lower lip, just another shorter line. Alright, and then to draw in the shape of the face, just come out from the eye on the corner here. Just kind of pinch it in, it's a little bit straighter. Just come down around the mouth area. And then now we're going to pinch it in even more. It's got a slightly sharper jawline. And then for his chin, we'll just close that off. Okay, and then let's go ahead and draw on his ear. You can start on this point again. Just curve it out. Alright, so now let's continue on with the head shape. With this line here, I'm just going to keep going up. Okay, right around the brow area. And then I'm going to come in. So this is his hairline. And then right in the middle, just one angle coming down. And then for the rest of his hair, so I'm going to start out right over his ear. Just kind of go out. And let's come back in and draw the middle first. So right in the middle, I'm going to go up. Just going to draw one little angle like this first. And then to connect these, I'm just going to zigzag all the way down. So whatever space you have, just keep going down. So these are just making his spiky hair. Okay, and then lastly for some detail, let's just add in some lines on these corners going up. Make it look more like hair. Alright, so that's his head, and now let's draw his body. So for his neck, nice and wide here. And then we'll come out just a little bit. He's wearing those little tank tops. Okay, and then from the neckline here, just curve it all the way around. And then now we're gonna flare this out. So here's his armpit. Okay, so go out quite a bit. And then we're gonna come back in for his waist. And then we'll close that off. And let's just add in one section here. This is actually gonna be part of his short, so it's like the belt area. And then in the middle, I'm just gonna add in one little bar here, and then on the side, just add in some lines here. Alright, and then let's go ahead and finish up the chest muscle right here. Right in the center, just come down. And then from this point here, just go down and just go back up to the armpit area. So slight dip here, and then just come back up. Alright, so now let's draw his arms and we'll make this nice and muscular. So here's the armpit. Shoulder area. Just pump it up. And then now for the bicep. Come out. Come back up here. Just a big bracket. And then for his lower arm, we'll flare out. And he's got those big boxing gloves, so just come down just a little bit and we'll cut it off here. And then for the gloves, we'll extend this. It's basically one big rectangle. Okay, and then for the gloves itself, here's the thumb, nice and big. Here's the back of the glove. And then from the thumb here, we just got curve all the way around and just connect that. Okay, so same thing on the other side. Here's the armpit. Right here, one big bulge. Bracket. Flare out, and then again, let's come down and just close that off first. And then one big rectangle here, just extend it. And then for the glove, right here, one big hook. Here's the back of the glove. And then we can start here again. Just one big curve all the way around. And for some detail here, I'm just gonna add a little rectangle on the side. Okay, so nice and buff. Now let's work on his short here. From the middle, just come down. Just draw one line across first. Start on the side here, just flare out. Actually, let's just go ahead and draw in both sides. So just flare both sides out first. Come back to the center, come out, let's draw two lines coming down. And then whatever you have here, just close it off. Okay, and then for the details here, just follow this line. Alright, just come out, go up. Okay, so for his legs, I'm going to continue this. Just come in slightly. Slight bracket coming in. And then for his knee, just another bracket. And then for his lower leg, we'll flare out. And then close it off. We're going to draw, this is going to be the top of his boot. Okay, so let's continue down. We'll finish up this leg first. So taper in, close it with a slight curve, and then one dome shape coming down. Let's come out more on this side, and we'll close that off. And we'll add in the details later. Let's go ahead and finish up this leg. So again, come in slightly from the short. And then for his knee, another bracket. Okay, flare out, close it off, and then same thing here. Just kind of pinch it in, straight down. Dome shape, come down, and then come out a little bit more on this side. Close it off. Okay, and then for the detail on his shoe here, just draw one line and then just go down. Okay, so this is actually the tip, and we're seeing the bottom of the shoe. Okay, so one line and come down. And then for the laces, it's really easy. We just start here, zigzag one direction, or just one of them. So zigzag all the way down first, and then now zigzag the other way. So start here, and we just kind of cross them. Okay. Zigzag all the way down, and then now drawing the other side. And that is it for this little Mac. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.